Hello and welcome. I'm Maribuke here. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you two things. First of all, I'm going to be showing you how to get your name on Google search. That is how to put your name on Google, that when people go there, search your name or search for you, they'll be able to see you and every other thing about you. This is showing you how to create a visual complimentary card for yourself, for your business, for your brand. This way, people will go to Google and type in your name, then you pop up, just like these famous people or public figures that you used to search up on Google. You also can pop up that way. So and secondly, I'm going to be teaching you how to make some settings that when people mention your name anywhere on the internet, you're going to get an alert from Google. You will know, yes, you have to, this setting will make it to be everywhere, that whenever people mention your name, whether on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google, on YouTube, anywhere, you're going to get an alert. Your name is being mentioned here. So first of all, I'm going to show you an example of what I mean when I say I'm going to teach you how to get your name on Google, how to create a people card, how to create a complimentary card, a virtual complimentary card for yourself. So right here is my Google browser. I'm going to open it right now and I'm going to show you what I mean. Well, you can use any browser of your choice. Okay, so I'll click on here and in the search bar here, I'm going to type in, let's search Oprah Winfrey. So this is Oprah Winfrey here. Let's look her up. And as you can see some images of Oprah Winfrey. You can see her about, her age and net worth and all of that. So I'll just go ahead to search for myself, because I've registered my name on Google. So I'm Maribuke. I'll search for my name. And this is me here. You can see my name. You can see my profile image here. You can see my about. You can see what I do, where I work. You can see my social media handles. You can connect with me here on YouTube, Facebook. You can even give me a call, reach me directly on my WhatsApp and all of that. So you're seeing it this way because I'm the one that looked it up. So if I look this up from a browser that I'm not logged into, you're going to be seeing me here. This is me. I'm Maribuke on YouTube. You can see me on YouTube. This is my name on YouTube. This is my store on Seller, and this is my people card here. If I click on this now, it's going to open up to my people card, so you can see the same thing that I showed you earlier. So for you to do this, first of all, you have to have your Google account, right? For you to be able to add yourself to search on Google, come to your search browser and you type in add me to search. Add me to search. All right, so when you type add me to search, you're going to be brought to this interface. It says here add yourself to Google search. All right, so you're going to click on get started to get started. Click on get started. All right, over here you're going to see this message. So you might be asked to enter your phone number to verify. All right, so you go ahead, enter your phone number and verify your phone number. All right, so now you're going to see this message, create a public profile. When people search for you on Google now, you can show them what you care about most, including the hobbies you love, the creations you make, and whatever else that gets you excited to the day. So that is it. You click on OK, got it. So to add yourself to Google, first of all, you can change your profile picture from here. You see that this is showing your name icon, or it can show your profile picture on Google. Okay, if you've added your name on Google, it will show your name here. So to change your avatar, that's your profile picture, you click on here and you click on change avatar. It will take you to this area where you add your profile picture. So over here, you add everything about you, your location, your about, your occupation, your work, your education, hometown, website, social proof, social profiles, email, and phone number. Your social profiles are your Facebook account, YouTube, Instagram, and all of that. accounts that you have. Right here, you can see mine. I've entered my name, Amaribokwe is here already. You can see my location, it's here already. My avatar, I can still change it if I want. So you enter your workplace information. My social profiles are here. So when you have entered everything you want to enter, what you do, most especially about, this has to do with what you do. So when you have entered all of that, you click on preview here. So when it comes to social profile, just click on the plus icon, then copy the link of the particular profile that you want to add, and then click here, add. If it's LinkedIn, you just click on LinkedIn and then you add the link to your LinkedIn account, and then that is it. You click on save. So when you are through, you click on preview here to preview what you've entered, and it tells you this is how your search card will look when people look it up. Okay, so if this is okay by you, you go ahead and click on save. So this way your people card is successfully done. You have gotten yourself a virtual complimentary card. So you can click on view search card here and you'll be able to see your name here. All right, so you can see your name right here. Okay, so that is moving over to the second tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to get alert or how to know whenever people mention your name anywhere on the internet. This does not just keep you aware, but it also makes you or helps you protect your name, your image, your brand image. So I'm also going to use my Google Chrome browser. You can use any browser of your choice for this. The most important thing is to ensure that you are logged in with your Gmail account. So I'm going to type in google.com/alerts and I'm going to click on search. All right, so this has opened up to here. This has opened up to this area. So in this create an alert area, you're going to click on it. It says monitor the web for interesting new content. So you can also monitor the web to know when your name is being mentioned. This can help you protect your name, your brand, your image, and also help you to know what people are saying about you, about your brand, about your business. So you're going to, let's say you are creating this alert for your name. Now you're going to start with a quote. All right, and then you type in your name. I'm typing in my name, Amara Ibukwe, and then you're going to also enclose it in a quote. The reason why I enclosed my name in a quote is because if I just open up and write Amaribukwe without enclosing it in a quote, this will alert me whenever Amara is mentioned, whenever Ibukwe is mentioned. But the way I've enclosed Amaribukwe in a quote, I'm going to be alerted whenever Amara Ibukwe is mentioned. Okay, so now I've written my name there. The next thing I want to do is to click on show more options. Oh, show options here. So I'll click on it, and over here you are going to set up these alerts. So how often do you want to see these alerts? At most once a day. You will click on it and select at most once a day, at most once a week. Just set it up according to how you want to see it. Under sources here, you click on sources, then you leave it on automatic because you want to know whenever your name is mentioned anywhere at all. Under language, you leave it at English. Under region, you leave it at any region because you want to know where your name is mentioned anywhere at all right, in the internet. How many? You can, it says only the best results. You can leave it at all results because you want to see all the results. Now here is deliver to. Where do you want to receive this alert? You have to put in the email account you want to use in receiving this alert here. Just put in the email account, and then when you are through with setting up this alert, you click on create alert here. So you just click on it. So you just click on create alert here, and this way the alert has been created. You see that here. So whenever you receive, whenever your name is being mentioned, this alert will be delivered to your email account. Or you can also come back here to check the alert that you have set up. So when I click on Amaribukwe now, this is what I set up now. So it's still searching to know if, of course, there are no results because this is just something I set up now. All right. So you can also set up for your brand, for your the same thing for your business. Just put in the quote. Maybe you want to know what is happening in your industry, what is happening in the business you do. Maybe you're someone who is into affiliate marketing. You can type in affiliate marketing here. This way, you're going to be getting affiliate marketing alerts, all right? Remember to enclose it in a quote. So you'll be getting affiliate marketing alerts whenever there's new updates, whenever anything is happening, you'll be the first to know, all right? So you can still set up the alert and all of that, and then click on create alert. So this is it, how you can set up, how you can actually add your name, add yourself on Google search, create your people card, get a complimentary card, and also set up Google alerts so that you know whenever your name is mentioned or you get information about new updates in your industry. I hope you got value from this video. Thank you, and I will see you next time.